So good morning, good morning, good morning. It's always good to know that people can hear you. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending of your location. I know my platform has a wide, audience that cuts across different countries and different jurisdictions. So I'm saying good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. So as we get started, it's always good to know that you can hear me. So if you can hear me, please give me a comment just for me to know that you can hear me. And sorry, today we've come a bit late by some minutes because obviously it's a weekend and we didn't want to come very early. But thank you so very much for always joining me. So I'm going to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'm fully aware my platform cuts across different jurisdictions, different audiences, different countries. So I'm going to say that. So thank you for joining me. Please share the video as we get started. Please share the video, and share the video. So there we go. Please share the video. Let me see if I can hear myself. It's good to know. All right. Okay. I can hear myself a bit. Yeah. Great. So I can hear myself. That's great. Okay. Good. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for joining me. Please share the video. Share the video. Share the video as you always do. Let's get interacting. I've seen Emma, Thomas. Share the video. Share the video. Share the video. Please share the video. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. Share the video. Share the video. Share the video. All right. Please share the video. Share the video. That is always nice to know. Great. Share the video. Share the video. Great. All right. So share the video. Good morning. Good morning. Let me say some good morning as we are sharing the video. When I say good morning, let me say some good mornings, good mornings, good mornings. Please share the video, share the video, share the video. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's get talking. Let's get talking. Let's take talking. Share the video, share the video, share the video. Share the video, share the video, share the video. Great. Share the video, share the video, share the video. All right, great. Thank you so much to you who are sharing the video. Thank you very much. We have a very important conversation, the 10 questions to ask your financial advisor before you make a payment. Please share the video. Guys, I need to see some shares. Those of you who are joining me, please help me out. Share the video. Let's share the video, please. Thank you for your support. You guys are so amazing. I've seen Robinson. It's good to see you. Robinson Jungu, I'm always happy to see your name, my friend. It's good to have you. Cecilia, as always, I'm grateful to have you. Good morning. How are you? It's good to see you. It's good to see you. I'm looking for Kalanga. I'm looking for Kalanga and Stanslas. I haven't seen Stanslas yet. So, yeah, thank you so very much. Please share the video as we get started. Okay, please share, share the video. Let me see some shares. Great. Please share the video, share the video, share the video. So let's get started. Let's get into the business. All right, fantastic. Great. Let's get started now. Let's get started. Okay, thank you so very much. So how are you? How has been your day going? Yesterday we had some fun time on social media, and we we're having fun yesterday with Prosper Katung. Very good. I've seen the name finally. Prosper Katung is here. It's good to see you. It's good to see you. Thank you so much. Tembo Tai says, good morning. Thank you so much. How is my sound? Somebody give me a comment. I'm always happy to see Prosper. I'm always happy to see Cecilia. I'm always happy to see Robinson. I'm always happy to see Kalanga. I'm always happy to see Luis. Though Luis sometimes has got challenges in the internet. He's not in our country, somewhere else. But I'm always happy to see you guys. Thank you very much. It's good to see you, Tembo Tai. I haven't seen Katai today, but I'm so happy to see you. I know the regulars, people. I know you. I know your names, regulars. All of you, I know your names. I know the regulars. I know your names and things like that. Great, fantastic. Okay, so let's get started now. So now we're looking at the 10 questions to ask your financial advisor. Now, why am I coming up with this conversation today? It's because financial advisors, they play a crucial role in your financial journey. These are people you trust with your financial life. You trust your financial life in the hands of financial advisors. So it's very important that before you can engage somebody to begin to preside over your financial affairs, it's just fair that you understand and know a few things about them before you give them your money. And this is why I want to give you some of the questions you can ask financial advisors to just give you an insight. Is this advisor I'm about to engage really know what they are doing? Because with the mushrooming of social media, the coming of these short courses for financial advisors, we have a lot of advisors who lack credibility. This is why they are misleading the public. This is why we want to give you some of the questions you can ask to determine, is this really a credible advisor? Somebody I can sit down with and spend my money on. What you don't want is to simply hire somebody because they look nice or because they've got a nice accent. There is no substance in hiring somebody simply because they've got a huge following. There's no substance. So make sure that before you pay for somebody, before you hire somebody, whether they are good looking, they are handsome, they are beautiful, they have got a good accent, they are educated, they've got a huge following, or whatever it is, you don't want that, because those things are not yours. What is yours is the advice they're going to give you, because you're going to apply that. You're going to spend your money. So it's only fair that you understand what you're spending your money for before you spend your money. To also avoid feeling like you've been cheated. Have you ever been to a financial session, then you feel like you wasted your money because whatever they're talking about does not make any sense at all? They don't believe in it, they don't even know what they're doing. So what we want is to simply give you some of the questions that I feel are important for all of us to ask our financial advisors. So here are my top 10 questions I think are very important. So number one, and feel free to ask. It's okay. Don't be intimidated. Just ask because you want to know. You want to spend money, by the way. Okay? So number one, question number one, that every time you want to hire somebody, a financial advisor, or somebody tells you they're a financial advisor, the first question you must ask them is, can you tell me more? Notice, more about your qualifications and experience. You don't want a financial advisor who has no experience, who only has YouTube experience. You don't want that. You don't want YouTube experience. You want real life experience. Now, why is this question important? This question is important because you want to know how long your financial advisor has been in the industry and what designations they have. A designation is a special qualification in finance. For example, like for me, I'm a chartered accountant. The designation that asset accountants get is called the CA Zambia designation. That's a prestigious qualification. I have got a prestigious financial analysis designation as well. So you want to find out the financial advisor you are dealing with, what designations do they have? Because in finance, we have designations. For example, we have CAZM, we have CFP, we have CFA, we have CPA, we have PFS. These are the widely recognized designations in the world of finance. So if your financial advisor doesn't have any of these designations, you may want to think twice, or at least find out whether they are affiliated with a specific regulation or regulator. That's also very important. So they may not be a CFP, they may not be a CFA, they may not be a CSDM, they may not be a CPA, they may not be a PFS, but do they have the license to do what they are telling you they are doing, and do approved that license? That's extremely important. Now, why is it important for you to know the designation? We say you want to understand the kind of knowledge they have. It's extremely important. Why is it important for you to know their experience and how long they've been in the industry? Because the longer somebody has been in the industry, the more likely they're able to give you valuable information. Valuable information. One of my good friend, Mnyumba Mtwale, has been in the industry for over 13 years. 13 years. This is why I recommend that go and talk to him if you want to know about bonds, because he has 13 years of industry experience. You will not learn 13 years in 2 days. You will not learn what he has known for 13 years in 2 days. That's why you have to go and sit down with people who've been in the industry for too long, because it also shows the credibility. I have been in the industry for the past 7 years. So you cannot just wake up and learn everything I've learned in 7 years. I've been on the crypto markets for the past 4 years. So you want to understand, if you talk about crypto, how long have you been in crypto? You don't want to get advice from somebody who joined the crypto last year or last week, because they don't know a lot. So you want to learn from somebody who's been in the industry for at least more than 2 years, because more than 2 years is a lot of time to learn a lot of things in the space, the do's and the don'ts and everything that you need to know, technical analysis and things like that. So know what your advisor does. Ask that question. Okay, so question number 1, please give me a comment, guys. Can you tell me more about yourself and how long you've been in the industry, including your qualifications? That's what we have said. That's question number 1. If it makes sense, guys, please give me some comment. And please, I'm just asking you, my good friends who are joining me here, please share this video. Somebody share the video, please. Share the video, share the video. Please share the video. Okay, share the video. When you share, you support our work and you encourage us to come and do more content such as this one. So please, if this means anything to you, please, I ask that you share the video so that we can also help reach a wider audience. So please share the video, share the video, share the video. Thank you so very much for all those who are sharing. May God bless you. Thank you very much. Please share the video. So that is question number 1. Now, what is the next question you must ask your financial advisor before you pay them? So notice we've established question number 1. Can you tell me more about your qualifications and experience? Okay. So write that in the comment section. Can you tell me more about your qualifications and your experience? That's question number 1. Let me see that comment, please. Can you tell me more about your qualifications and experience? Question number 2, you must ask your advisor to just make sure you know who you are paying before you spend money. What services do you offer? What services do you offer? Now, why is this question important? Somebody give me a comment. What services do you offer? So as I say these questions, please write them down to help those who are joining us late. Please write them down and share them. What services do you offer? Now, why is that question important? The services that a financial advisor can offer are determined by the expertise that they have, are determined by the kind of licenses they have. They are determined by the kind of credentials they hold. Remember what we said on first? In finance, we have designations: CA Zambia, CSDM, CFA, CPA, CFP, PFS. Those are the finance designations. So you want to ask your financial advisor if they have any of those. All right. If they don't have any of those, at least know the industry experience and which license they have. Very important. Now, here we are saying the services they offer will reflect the kind of expertise they have and any license they hold, any credentials they have. So make sure the services your financial advisor offers align with the needs that you are looking for. You don't want to be dimensional or to be general. You go and get general stuff because you are simply motivated by social media. No. Just because I talk about crypto, I talk about business, I talk about buying land and building a house, does not mean you have to go and buy crypto, you have to start a business, you have to buy land. No. Are these things I'm talking about on my platform align with your goals, your financial goals, your future goals, your family goals? Are these things aligning? But again, you don't want to have an advisor who has a chartered accountancy qualification, but what they talk about is completely different from the qualifications they hold. That's not a good sign. If I'm a financial advisor, at least I should have qualifications in finance. I should have licenses and certificates that are aligned with the finance. That's very important to know. So make sure the services the financial advisor offers align with your needs and aren't one-dimensional. Right? You don't want to just go to an advisor who only sells insurance products. Then they say I'm a financial advisor because they sell insurance products. No. Okay. Question number 3. Please write this in the comment section. Question number 3. Please share the video, people. Thank you so much for sharing. Please share and give me those reactions. We need them, people. Okay. Share the video, and give us those to give us some support. Thank you so very, very much. Thank you so very much. So please share that video. So there we go. So the next one that we have now is question number 3. Question number 3 says, can you tell me about your investment philosophy and approach to financial planning? Now, this is the one of the biggest reasons why most of you become depressed when you receive returns from investments, either from crypto, either from shares, either from bonds, either from business, or either from whatever it is, real estate. You are depressed because you went for an advisor whose financial philosophy you do not know. So what you need here, you need to make sure that your financial advisor's philosophy and approach towards planning is similar to your own. For example, if a financial advisor is more cautious or too aggressive for your needs, maybe talking about beating the market, beating inflation, they might not be maybe a very good for you if maybe they are too aggressive or they are too cautious. So what kind of approach do they have? So what that means, for example, there are people that are more risk averse. There are advisors who are very conservative, who tell you know what, I don't want to lose your money. I want to simply get your land, put here, yada, yada, yada. Yeah, they are very conservative. And then there are those advisors who are more aggressive. They will tell you to take certain risks. So you want to understand, what is your investment philosophy? Are you an aggressive person or are you a conservative person? Is the advice that they are giving you align with your core values and your beliefs and your financial goals? It's extremely important to understand that. Guys, give me some comments around that question. Can you tell me more about your investment philosophy? Because you can't be getting advice from somebody whose philosophy is very different from yours. That's very important to understand. This is money you're spending. Okay, to avoid blaming each other. No, they told me to put money here. Now I lost my money because no, it's because you didn't understand their philosophy. All right, you didn't understand their philosophy. For example, if you are somebody who is more risk averse, probably want to invest in vehicles that are usually risk free. All right, if you are somebody who are more aggressive, probably want to invest in assets that are more risky but they offer a much more higher return, with of course precautions. So it's important to know that. Question number 4. Here's what you should ask your financial advisor. Question number 4. And I want to be seeing these comments, please, guys. Keep giving those comments. Let me see some comments coming through, okay? Please share the video. Share the video and give me those comments. Thank you so much for sharing the video. You guys are so amazing. Thank you. So question number 4 is this one here, okay? Please share the video and give me that comment. Question number 4 is, what types of clients do you usually work with? This is a very important question because some advisors, they've never worked with a millionaire. They've never worked with a certain level of income. Okay, they work with maybe 2 kwacha guys, 3 kwacha guys, 5 kwacha guys. Then you have 5 million. So how do you go to get advice from somebody who's never worked with somebody who has 5 million? All right, that's not a very good sign. So you want to understand the type of clients they deal with. What type of clients do you usually work with? Because some financial advisors target a certain niche, like young people, all right? Or those close to retirement. So what is the niche that the advisor is more experienced in? If they say, no, I work with young people, then these people probably working with young people. Okay, maybe they're not maybe my good fit. Or maybe I work with those who are going towards retirement. Maybe this is my good fit if you're going towards retirement. So you want to understand the type of clients they work with. Okay? Partly because advisors may also have certain net worth thresholds. Some advisors only work with ultra higher net worth families or individuals. Maybe you need to have, say, 1 million and above. For some, they say, no, I can't give you any advice if you have less than a million. Or if you make less than 50,000 kwacha per month, I can't work with you. So you want to understand what is the income thresholds of this advisor. What you don't want is an advisor who is a general dealer who works with just everyone. No. Advisors, we have income thresholds for the services we offer. Okay, fine, I can't work with you because you have 2 kwacha. So we can't work. Or maybe I can't work with you because you have 100 million. That's beyond my scope. So you have to understand what is your, for example, if somebody came to me with $10 billion and tells me, give me some advice, I would say, I think for now, that is way beyond my current scope. $10 billion, maybe you need an entire management team because that's a lot and lots of money, right? Just to be realistic, as an example. So you want to understand the type of clients they work with. It's important to find a financial advisor that has experience working with clients that have needs similar to what you have. Okay? If they are working with people towards retirement and you are going towards retirement, that's an advisor you want to sit down with because they've got experience in that field. They are working with people having certain kind of problems as you are having. You don't want just to choose an advisor because they have a following. You have to know your needs, the kind of clients they save, and see, am I within that category or that niche of people they save? It's extremely important. So guys, please share the video, and give me those comments. Tell me if that makes sense, okay? Question number 5. Question number 5. And I want to see it in the comments. Let's see those comments coming through. Question number 5. Please, people, share the video. Help me out. Share the video. Let me see some shares, people. Please share the video. Robinson, thank you. That question, I see it. Suilanji Simbe, thank you. I see the questions. Cecilia, thank you. I see the questions. Suilanji, thank you. Thank you so very much. Great, great. Remy Siame, thank you. I see the question. Robinson, thank you. I see the question. Please, guys, keep typing those questions. Let me see them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And please keep sharing. Give us those reactions. That's part of being generous as well. Tembo, thank you. I see the comments. So please share those, share the video and share the video. Please click the share button. Share the video, people. Please share the video. All right. So please share the video. Help me out. Let me see some shares. Help me out. Share the video. Share the video. Please share the video. Give us those reactions. Share the video. Give us the comments. Thank you. Thank you very much. We need those for growth. Thank you for that share. I see it. Thank you so very much. Please share the video, guys. We need it. We need you to share for us. Thank you very much. Please share. Luanika, thank you. Luanika said it's making sense. Thank you so very much. Mushabati, thank you so very much for that comment. I see it's making sense. Thank you so very much. Great. Please share the video as well, people. Share the video, and give us those reactions. We need them. We need them. Okay, great. So now let's go to question number 5. Question number 5 is this. If before you pay your advisor, ask them, who will I be working with? Now, let me explain this. Some of you are going to go to an advisor because it's very famous. And for some weird reasons, you think that famous guy is going to sit down with you and start talking to you. So you want to have a chance to sit with them. Then you discover they give you a team or a different person. Then you are disappointed because your idea was you're going to sit down with them. So depending on the firm, you may be working with only one advisor or maybe a team of advisors, also according to the number of how much money you have. So ask who you'll be in touch with in case you have an emergency, in case you need to clarify something. You have to find out whether your advisor works with any other professionals such as insurance agents and lawyers. Ask them, do you have any lawyers that you work with? Do you have any insurance agents that you are affiliated with? You want to know, is this advisor connected to, if I need some legal advice, can they help me out find a suitable lawyer? All right? If I need some insurance, can they help me find a suitable company that deals with this kind of thing? So you want to know, to have an advisor who is connected to this kind of people, lawyers, insurance companies, and things like that. Property surveyors, it's extremely important because an advisor is helping you comprehensively, not just to know about unit trusts, for example. No, you want an advisor who's able to help you comprehensively in every area of your life. An advisor is like your partner. They know every single thing about your financial life. If you're going to pay lawyers, they should know why you're paying lawyers. Which lawyer are you going to pay? It's extremely important. So you want an advisor who is linked to this kind of people. Very important. So question number 5, who will I be working with? Question number 6. Please type this in the comments. I want to see those comments coming through. Question number 5. Let's see question number 5 in the comment. Let's see it. Yes, Asuilanji, thank you very much. I see it. Who am I going to be working with? You want to know. Mushabati, thank you so much. Sulanji, thanks. Cecilia, thank you. All those who are watching me, please, thank you so very much. Yes, who will I be working with? Thank you for those 20 shares. I've seen 20 shares have come up. Thank you so very much. You guys are amazing. You are so kind. You are so kind. Thank you very much. So now let's go to the next one. Question number 6. Question number 6 is, how do you get paid? This is a very important question to ask your advisor. How do you get paid and how much do you charge? What you don't want to hear in your life of financial advisory is an advisor who tells you, give me a percentage. That is weird. There are some advisors who ask you to give them, maybe you give me 2% of this, 5% of that is going to be ongoing. If they say a percentage, ask them, is this percentage ongoing or it's a one-off payment? You want to know. Okay, there are some who say, give me 5% of your net worth or 2% of your net worth. No. What you want is to know a fixed amount you're going to be paying. And what you don't want is a continuous payment. You want a payment where you can cancel it anytime. If you want to unsubscribe, you can simply unsubscribe and everything ends there. That's what you want. So ask them, how do you get paid and how much do you charge? Financial advisors worldwide may get paid through commissions, they may get paid through fees. through sometimes a combination of both. But it's important to know how your financial advisor is making money and how much your fees will be. Very important. What you don't want is to come and get a list of costs that you don't understand where they're coming from. So from the outset, you know how much you're going to pay for everything, whether you're going to be paying so much every month, all right? But what you don't want is a percentage. You want a number, not a percentage. Very important. Very important. Question number 7. That makes sense? Great. Somebody says makes sense. Okay, great. Question number 7. Number 7 says this, very important. Who else stands to gain from the advice you give me? That's the question the advisor must answer. Ask them, this advice you want to give me, who else stands to benefit from it? Do you know why that question is important? Do you know why it's important? You don't want advice that is just good for the short term, just for today, and then tomorrow you're stuck. No. Ask your financial advisor about any potential conflicts of interest. Financial advisors that sell insurance policies, for example, mutual funds or similar products, they have what is called pre-existing relationships with the companies that provide these products. So there are times where an advisor gives you an advice. He says, okay, fine, what you need to do, you need to go and get insurance package with this particular company. When in that company, this advisor is an affiliate, he gets a commission for every person he recommends. That's not so nice, because the self-interest here is telling you to go to this company because when you go to this company, it gets a commission. That's not nice. The advisor should give you to go and see an insurance company whom they believe will help you, not because they'll get a commission. So it's very important to know. And that's not a problem if they get a commission. It's just important for you to know if at all they're going to get a commission, so that you can assess your options and say, oh, this is the only option that you have, or the other option that you have. It's very important to understand that. It's very, very important, because if they have conflict of interest, they may not serve you the best interest. Question number 8. All right. So on question number 8, what we have on question number 8 is, have you ever been professionally disciplined? There are some advisors that they store money from someone, then you don't know. Okay? You need to know, have you ever been disciplined? In Zambia, we have, we have different institutions that regulate different kind of advisors and different kinds of professionals. We have the Institute for Internal Auditors, we have the Zika, we have SEC, we have, EIZ, we have all these different, we have LAS, we have all these kind of different institutions that discipline different professionals who belong to their bodies. So you want to understand which board do you belong to and have you ever been disciplined. Okay? It's very important to know, because the history of financial advisor matters. If you want to know more about the advisor, you can contact whichever organization they tell you they are affiliated with and check if they have ever been subject to any disciplinary action. They are going to tell you. It's very important. It's very, very important. If an advisor asks you, all right, to make an investment in portfolio, ask them, question number 9, what kind of portfolios do you personally hold? The advisors will tell you that, no, go and invest in this, but they've never invested in it. Like what celebrities do. Celebrities are the most hypocritical people you ever come across, especially those that promote, for example, betting. I'm not talking about everyone, but those celebrities who promote betting, they are extremely hypocritical because they've never placed a bet in their lives. But they will advise you to say, no, go and bet, you are going to win what. Then when you lose, they get paid. That's not nice. You want to ask your advisor and say, what portfolios do you hold? So that you have an insight. Is this advisor who tells me to go and invest in crypto? Do you even have any crypto portfolio? What portfolios do you have? So that they can tell you what made you choose these portfolios. So that you can understand their philosophy and what they're trying to achieve as well. You don't want to go to an advisor who's never invested in any government bonds, in any securities, in any crypto, in any real estate, in any business in their life, but they are giving you business advice. No. You want practical industry experience. You want action. Have you ever invested in this thing you're telling me to go and invest into? If yes, what made you invest? Any mistakes I should avoid? You can ask from there. You can come up with a different questions. You can ask them. That's extremely important. Very, very important. Very important. But also just find out from them. Question number 10: what motivated you to become an advisor? It's a very good question. Some people are in financial advisory because they think they're going to make money out of it. That's the drive. That's the motivation. No, I'm going to advise people. I'm going to make money. Okay. But what really motivated you to start advising people? Is it because you're going to get paid or there's something else? It's important to know. Today on social media, we have an influx of advisors, and it's difficult to know who to follow. And one of the weirdest things is that on social media, especially in Zambia, where we have a very small country, it is easy to be noticed because our country is very small. And once you begin to talk about a bit, you begin to get awards, and people, because awards, they show credibility, awards, they show endorsement. And this is the problem that we have. We have people getting awards who don't know why they're getting awards. People get awards. It's only in Zambia where people get awards and they are shocked. They don't know why they are being awarded. So people are just awarded because maybe somebody from the people who give awards know them, or just somebody recommended, whatever it is. They don't even know what they did right. So because of this issue of even giving unnecessary awards to people who don't deserve awards, it has resulted in people being swindled. People have put money in different kinds of investments, and when they get dividends, they get the returns, they get the coupons, they get the value for their money. They are just shocked. Say, no, I've gotten, like yesterday, to be honest, yesterday I made a joke and I said, I put a picture on my Facebook, and I was saying, me looking at people who are receiving dividends. I was just having a light moment with my friends and my followers on the platform. But if I can talk about it in a serious way, I'll tell you that just yesterday alone, I received over 64 messages in my inbox of people sending me screenshots, telling me, yeah, no, I can assure you what you said was true. Look at what I received. I was seeing 6 kwacha.29 ingwe, 17 kwacha.4, 22 kwacha.shan for saving a good amount of money the entire year. Now, I'm not saying it's bad to buy stocks or to do these things. What I'm saying is what makes people become disappointed is because they never sat with a real financial advisor who knows what they are doing. Or they never sat with anybody at all. So they just went to invest because someone said shares can make you money. And now when they see a dividend, they are surprised. So if you're going to buy shares, why are you buying shares? What do you want to accomplish? It's a very important question. If you're going to invest in crypto like me, why are you investing in crypto? What is it about crypto that what you are trying to accomplish? What is it? If you're going to buy land, like the way I like to buy land, why are you buying land? If you're going to start and grow your business, why do you want to start and grow a business? What is it you're trying to accomplish? Do you know your priorities, your objectives? Most people don't. And because most people don't, when they receive my 2 kwachas, they become depressed and they become angry at themselves and at their advisor. But to be fair, you never consulted. Your idea of investing was, I'm going to become wealthy. I'm going to get a huge lump sum. It's not coming. It's not coming today. It's not coming tomorrow. It's not coming next year. Maybe it's 10 years from now. Maybe it's 20 years from now. Were you taught that? No, you are not taught. Do you know why? Because you thought you know everything. This is why we are saying, as an investor, don't be too emotional. Don't be too emotional. As an investor, your number one priority is your interest. You can't be siding with people as an investor. Side with yourself, because you have to look for the best interest for yourself. So always be on your side. If something is not benefiting you, there's no nobility in being loyal to making losses. There's no nobility in that. If something is not saving you, leave it. Try something else. Reassess, re-strategize. It's not a guarantee that if you come to crypto, then you put money, you lose, you have to stay with crypto. No, if crypto is not saving you, leave. If running a business is not saving you, leave. Go and get a job. If a job is not saving you, leave. Go and do a business. You are supposed to always be loyal to yourself. Be loyal to your needs. It's very important when it comes to investing because you don't want to lose money. So these are some of the thoughts I thought I should share with you today on the questions that you should ask a financial advisor. So tell me in the comments if you have any question for me and what of these questions you found most interesting and any questions. Let me also give you some now market updates. And just so you know, in the last 24 hours, we have a dramatic shift in the crypto space. And just so you know, in the next 2 days, we're going to see drama on the crypto space, okay? For example, we have seen that BNB has lost by 2.3%. Now that's a huge loss because BNB has a very very big market cap. Okay, these are big market caps in the billions and billions of dollars. So we're talking about 2.3% reduction. That's quite a huge amount of money. So we're not talking about we're not just talking about small market cap coins. No, these are big market caps. BNB has lost. We have seen Bitcoin has gained significantly by 1.70%, and Bitcoin has become the seventh largest asset in the world. It has gained in the last 24 hours. Ethereum has also lost by 1.6%. That's a lot. Ethereum is a billions of dollars market cap. Solana keeps Solana. I can't believe this. Solana has gained by 8%. Can you believe that? 8%. That's a lot of gain. Doge has gained by 2%, and my favorite XRP has lost by 5.27%. But in the last 24, in the last, I think 48 to 72 hours, we made so much money in XRP because XRP pumped by, close to 40% or so. We made quite a good amount of money in XRP. So the markets don't look so good. You can see they are red. Some of them are red and green, red and green. They don't look so good. All right, as of today. So we are the sentiment on the market is still, not very much okay on the crypto market. We are waiting for Trump to make pronouncements because we know today, tomorrow the TikTok ban is gonna go live. All right. And then we know that the USDT has been suspended in Europe. That also is raising speculations in terms of repos XRP. So we're likely to see a repo going off the roof, or likely to see a repo staying the same, the XRP staying the same. So you want to understand what will happen after Trump is finally inaugurated. That will have a huge impact on the crypto space. But again, when Trump becomes president officially on the 20th of January, we're likely to see drama on the crypto market. So if you are a crypto investor, I'm sure you're very excited. You're anxious. You don't know what to expect. You are just simply just very much anxious. So if you want to invest in crypto, I'm advising you to learn. This is the future, whether you like it or not. It's gonna be the largest transfer of wealth in human history. So start teaching yourself about crypto today, so you don't remain, wondering what people are doing. Just learn. Don't invest for now. For now, learn. I don't encourage anybody to put money in crypto because I know how much money I've lost. So it's not a wise decision to go and invest. But so far, the markets, they are not very much bad. Of course, the markets are down, but they're not so bad. We are seeing some red, some green, and things like that. So we are getting there. So any questions for me? Any questions for me? Okay. Mumba Chivesa, great. Mumba Chivesa has gotten all the 10. Mumba Chivesa has gotten 6. Fantastic. Great. Cecilia, good. Thank you very much. Mushabati, very good. Lewanika, who else? Yes, very good. Lewanika, that's Lewanika and Sama, very good. You are a very good follower. Mumbi Chivesa, very good. Okay, I see those comments. Yeah. Cecilia, great. Mushabati, yes, I see those ones. Suilanji, very good. Luis Chamoto is finally here. I thought you had a network problem even today. It's good to see you, Luis. Says thank you for sharing today. So, guys, thank you very much. If you want to learn more, okay, I always advise you, if you want to learn more, let me show you something. If you want to learn more, get a copy of the book, How to Start and Grow Your Business. That book will give you more insights. The comment is in the description. It give you more insights on what you need to do, of course, to multiply and to start and grow a business. It will give you a step-by-step process. And it's only going at $4. Can you believe that? $4 for valuable financial and business knowledge. Get that soft copy today, the link in the description, and start reading that book today. Start reading. Next year today, you will never be the same. Go and learn from that book. Go and read that book, How to Start and Grow a Business. I've put a link in the description so that you can know. Whether you don't know where to start from, that's going to help you a lot. So, guys, thank you very much for joining me today. May God bless you. May God fulfill you. May you find love, peace, and joy. Thank you so very much. Have a lovely day. And, I'm just going to say bye-bye. It's always good to see you guys. Thank you for hanging around with me today. Okay? Bye.